Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add multiple shipping option in Wix store. So we are going to display drop down with multiple shipping option. So user or customer can select shipping option according to their requirement. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. And then you see order summary, subtotal 340, delivery charges we are going to charge $50 price, total 390. So we are going to allow customer to select shipping option according to their requirement, and we are going to charge different prices for different shipping option. And on cart page user will see drop down option. Now go to Wix setting. So we are in setting, and then you see shipping delivery. So click on it. Now you see setting option. So we are in shipping and delivery, and then you see shipping method. So we are going to charge flat rate $50 for our order all over the world, and then click on edit. So we are going to add more shipping option. Now you see flat rate shipping charges $50. So we are going to change it to DHL. So this is delivery provider. So for DHL delivery provider we are going to charge $50, and then you see add another shipping option. Now select. So we are going to add name. So we added name, shipping option Fedex. For this delivery provider we are going to charge $60. So you can set amount according to requirement. Again you see add another shipping option. Now select. So you can add delivery provider name according to requirement, like TCS, Royal Mail. So you can add name according to requirement, like DoorDash, US Postal Service. So it's up to you. And we are going to charge 20, and then click on save, and then you see you have saved region 3. Now go to cart page. Now you see delivery charges $50. Now refresh the page, and then in order summary you see subtotal 340, delivery 50, DHL we select. Now select Fedex. Now calculating. Now you see 340, 60, 400. Again select DHL. Subtotal order price 340, delivery charges 50, total 390. Now select shipping. Again calculating, and then you see 340, 20, total 360 order price. So you can add shipping option according to requirement in Wix store. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.